First I want to go the screen and hi guys, today we are in the school. Today we are configuring and installing camera, more than 40 cameras in the school. Okay, so this is very beautiful, and we are completely installing and configuring cameras here. Okay. You know guys, smile, you are on the camera. This is guys Cat 6 cable. This is very original, like double coated. You can use for outside also and inside also, right? This is for camera cable, right? This is very original. We are installing the camera in this school. Put nowhere. Where's the cable? It's finished right now, and then we have to move like this camera. Here are 8 both PoE switch double uplink, right? We are distribution and uplink here to go there, this building, that building, and that building, from there to there, and there to there, and there to gate, right? And source is there, right? So we are having so like this. Okay, here is 8 channel port NBR, scientific NBR, you know, and there is 54 inch screen, and here is 16 port giga switch double uplink, and already connect all the PVCs. Reminded to install our, you know, configure our another one 32 channel NBR. Today I'm configuring this one NBR, and there are 2 HDMI cable, so we are merging right now to NBR in our screen. Okay, so I will show that how to merge and how to configure all that camera settings, right? Okay, I will show after some time later. Okay guys, this is 54 inch screen, and we have to I'm going to change that one. What's HDMI port? Look here, how to you can change the HDMI port. Focus there. Here is 2 NBR, right? This is 32 channel NBR, and another one is 8 port channel. Focus there. And how we can change the one HDMI port? You can see at the first go to the menu and click here, and you can move the HDMI port 3